At first, she seemed interested in you. The conversations flowed, the energy felt good, everything seemed fine. But the more she got to know you, the more she pulled away, almost like she lost interest. If this keeps happening to you, there's usually one core reason. You became too available, and she never had the chance to feel your absence. In this video, you'll learn how to make a woman genuinely miss you, not by playing games, but by increasing your value. 1. Take care of your appearance. Self-improvement never ends. Never settle. Your appearance isn't just about attracting women, it's about standards. Take care of your skin. Fix your haircut. Keep your teeth clean. At the very least, look well-groomed. Build a body that looks strong and healthy. You don't need to be massive, just fit, upright, confident. Why does this matter? Because attraction starts visually. You trigger biology before logic. And more importantly, when you look good, you feel good, and confidence follows automatically. Number 2, make your attention rare. Your attention equals your time, and your time is valuable. Here's where most men fail. They improve themselves, better communication, better career, better appearance, and when women start noticing, they drop their goals and flood her with attention. That's the mistake. If you're growing and she approaches you, stay focused. Give attention in moderation, not constantly. Don't be available every second. Not to play hard to get, but because your life is full, and men with full lives are rare. Rare things are valued. 3, make her want more. When you're with her, create moments that are memorable, not expensive, not flashy, just meaningful and fun. Connection happens when conversation flows, when there's laughter, when there's chemistry. You want her leaving the interaction thinking, that was actually really good. Deep connection rarely happens on the first date. There's usually tension and nerves. That's where your communication and confidence matter. Leave her wanting the next experience. That's the key. 4, have a healthy social life. Spending time with friends is important, not just to create distance, but to balance your life. Choose your circle wisely. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If they're driven and disciplined, you'll rise. If they're directionless, you'll fall. Women can sense the quality of your environment. A man with a strong social circle moves differently. 5, focus on your financial goals. This is where most men collapse. They fear losing her, so they abandon their path. But the most powerful way to make her miss you is to genuinely be building your life. If you're working on your finances, your skills, your long-term goals, you won't always be available, and that's natural. If she wants your attention, don't drop everything for her. Stay focused, because a man with direction and financial ambition is significantly more attractive. And remember this, if she chooses another man because you were too focused on building your life, let her. He won't be you. You are unique, and when your level rises, your options rise with it. Closing. The truth is simple. She misses you when you have a real life, when your happiness doesn't depend on her. When you show up with value and you're not constantly available, apply these principles and you won't need to chase, because she'll start feeling your absence. Stay sharp.